Yeah, we're not gonna kill the rooster, man. I mean, the same as the rooster, you know, that is friendly. We're gonna find a chicken that's friendly, just like the rooster or the other chicken. Or just tell them that he's gonna buy that chicken. We're gonna buy your friend chicken, so they will not kill it.